My grandma and grandpa, they got really scared.
Why'd you touch you? Jeremy, that's not right. No way. It's not right.